How to search using index fields. Within the index that is created by the Shinydocs Analytics engine are fields that can be used to enhance search capabilities. Some of the most useful fields are as follows: extension, the file extension; path, the path to the file location; length, the size of the file in bytes; the name, the exact name of the file; the last write time UTC, which is the modified date; creation time UTC, which is the created date; and the last access time UTC access date, just to name a few. Within Shinydocs Discovery Desktop, we can now use fields within the index to do searches. For instance, we can use the field extension to search for any file extension that we wish. We can look for PDFs, and it will only return files with the extension of PDF. We could look for MP3s, and it will only return files that have an extension of MP3. We can use this in combination with keywords or phrases. As you can see, we've searched for the phrase Karen Long. It returns 7 results, some of them being PDFs, some of them being Word documents, docx. If we wanted to exclude all the docx's, we could simply use the not modifier, the field in the index, and you can see it removed all of the docx documents from our search results. We can use the date-related fields within the index, such as last write time UTC. By placing the asterisk, we're going to go back as far back in time as possible, up to 2016, January 1st. So as you can see from the results in the last modified, which is last write time UTC, all the documents returned were created before January 1st, 2016. Learn more by watching some of our other how-to videos, or if you have any further questions, contact by emailing info@shinydocs.com.